There are 6 daily habits that are silently accelerating cognitive decline in your brain after 60. You are likely doing 3 of them daily. Habit number 4 on this list is something most doctors actually recommend, but new research shows it may be damaging your brain faster. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which habits to stop, what to replace them with, and how to protect your brain. This is not about genetics. This is not about luck. These are controllable daily habits that either protect your brain or destroy it. Everything I share today comes from published neuroscience research, not opinions, not trends, not someone trying to sell brain supplements. Just honest science. Research shows that lifestyle factors control up to 40% of dementia risk. That means nearly half of your risk is within your control. The Lancet Commission on Dementia Prevention identified 12 modifiable risk factors. Many of them are daily habits you can change starting today. If this kind of honest health information matters to you, hit subscribe right now. I make videos like this every single week here. Alright, let's get into the 6 habits accelerating cognitive decline after 60. I am going in order of damage, saving the worst for last. Habit number 1. Chronic sleep deprivation, getting less than 6 hours of sleep consistently, or getting poor quality fragmented sleep night after night. During deep sleep, your brain activates its cleaning system. It is called the glymphatic system. It flushes out toxic waste products from your brain. One of those waste products is beta amyloid, the same protein that forms plaques in Alzheimer's disease brains. Deep sleep washes this out. A study found that just one night of poor sleep increased beta amyloid levels. Imagine what years of poor sleep does to you. Research found people sleeping less than 6 hours nightly in their 50s had 30% higher dementia risk. 30% higher. That is huge. The fix: prioritize 7 to 8 hours of sleep nightly. Keep bedroom cool and dark. No screens 1 hour before bed. Consistent schedule. Habit number 2. Physical inactivity. Sitting most of the day without regular exercise. This is one of the most damaging things for your brain. Exercise increases production of a protein called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Think of BDNF as fertilizer for your brain cells to grow. BDNF helps grow new brain cells, strengthens connections between existing neurons, and protects brain cells from damage. Exercise increases BDNF production significantly. Without regular exercise, BDNF levels drop. Brain cells become vulnerable. Connections weaken. Your brain literally shrinks faster without physical activity every day. A study found regular aerobic exercise increased hippocampus volume in older adults. The hippocampus is your brain's memory center. Exercise makes it bigger. The fix: walk 30 minutes daily at minimum. Add resistance training 3 times weekly. Combine cardio and strength for maximum brain protection benefits. Now, if someone you love needs to hear this, share this video with them right now. These habits are damaging brains silently today. Habit number 3. Social isolation. Spending most of your time alone without meaningful human connection. This surprises people, but the science is clear. Humans are social creatures. Your brain evolved to process social information. When you stop engaging socially, entire regions of your brain lose stimulation. A major study found that social isolation in older adults increased dementia risk by approximately 60%. 60%. That is not small. Social interaction challenges your brain. Processing faces, understanding emotions, following conversations, remembering names. This is intense exercise for your neural networks. The fix: make social connection a daily priority. Call someone, visit someone, join a group, volunteer. Even brief daily interactions protect your brain. Habit number 4. This is the one I mentioned at the beginning. The habit doctors often recommend. But new research tells a different story. Excessive routine without challenge. Doing same things, same way, every single day. Living on autopilot without ever challenging your brain with anything new. Doctors tell patients to establish routines for safety. That is correct. But taken too far, routine becomes cognitive poison for your brain health. When your brain does the same tasks, the same way every day, it stops building new connections. It goes into maintenance mode. It shrinks. Your brain needs novelty and challenge to stay healthy. New experiences create new neural pathways. New learning strengthens existing connections inside your mind. Research on cognitive reserve shows that people who consistently learn new things build extra neural networks. These act as backup systems against aging. A landmark study found older adults who learned complex skills like photography had significantly better memory than those doing only familiar routine activities. The fix: learn something new regularly. New language, new hobby, new route to the store, anything that forces brain to work harder. Keep routine for medications, but add novelty everywhere else. Vary your activities. Surprise your brain regularly with something unexpected and challenging daily. Habit number 5. Chronic unmanaged stress. Living in constant anxiety or tension. This habit physically destroys brain tissue over time and accelerates aging. When you're chronically stressed, your body produces cortisol. Chronic excess cortisol is toxic to brain cells. It directly damages neurons in the hippocampus memory center. Studies show chronically stressed older adults have significantly smaller hippocampi on brain scans. Stress literally shrinks the part of your brain needed for memory. Stress also increases inflammation throughout the brain. Neural inflammation damages neurons and accelerates the progression of neurodegenerative diseases, including Alzheimer's and dementia. The fix: develop a daily stress management practice. Deep breathing, meditation, walking in nature, anything that lowers cortisol consistently every single day. Research shows regular meditation physically increases gray matter density in brain regions associated with emotional regulation. It rebuilds the damage stress caused. Habit number 6, the worst one. The habit most destructive to brain health after 60. Excessive passive screen time consumption daily. Hours spent watching television, scrolling social media endlessly, consuming content without engaging your brain actively. This combines multiple damaging habits into one. It keeps you sedentary, isolated, understimulated, and often sleep-deprived. When you watch TV for hours, your brain enters a passive dormant mode. Research found that watching television more than 3 hours daily was associated with significantly greater decline in verbal memory over 6 years. Social media scrolling reduces attention span. The constant dopamine hits reduce your brain's ability to focus deeply. It fragments your thinking capability. The fix: set strict screen time limits. 2 hours maximum of passive screens daily. Replace the rest with active brain-engaging activities. Read books. Reading requires visualization and comprehension. It is active brain exercise. Play games. Do puzzles. Have real conversations. Create something. You do not have to fix all 6 habits at once. That is overwhelming. Start with one habit this week. Just one. Pick the one you know is worst for you. Work on that for 2 weeks. Then add another. Gradual change sticks better. Your brain is not broken. It is not too late. Research consistently shows lifestyle changes improve cognitive function at any age effectively. A study found healthy lifestyle factors reduced Alzheimer's risk by 60%, even in people with genetic risk. You have power over this. Now, if this video helped you, I need you to do 3 things for me. They cost nothing and help others find this guide. First, hit subscribe and turn on the bell notification. I post honest research-backed health content every single week, specifically for people over 60. Second, share this video right now with someone you love who is over 60. They might be doing these habits without knowing. Third, drop a comment below. Tell me which habit you will work on first. I read every comment personally, and your feedback helps. That is it for today. No fluff, no gimmicks, no lies, just honest truth for people over 60. Protect your brain. See you next time.